Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is default content. Default content refers to the main page context that Selenium starts with. Important points regarding this are Selenium begins execution in default content. When we switch to a frame, Selenium leaves default content. Elements outside the frame become inaccessible. To access main page elements again, we must call switch to default content. Here in the sample script, this is same exactly as the previous test script which we have run or the example which we have seen. So here if you see, first I am switching to a frame, I am finding the element, I print the output and then switch to the default content. So switching back to default content is important in Selenium. Default content means the main page which we accessed previously. Default content is the always the root context. I will run the script, then we will see how it works. It is the same how it is printed the previous examples. Maybe there is an issue actually. Let me cancel it. Yeah, if you see now it has printed the text and switched back to the default content. I will close this application. Let me recap again. Frame issues often happen because we forget to switch back. So no switch back means no access to the main page.